We will guide you through how to change text alignment in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open the document containing the text you want to adjust. Once the document is ready, select the horizontal type tool from the toolbar. Then click the text you want to edit directly on the canvas. Make sure the correct text layer is selected in the Layers panel, so any changes you make are applied to the intended text and not another element in the document. If necessary, highlight the text you want to change, especially when working with only part of a text layer and not the entire text object. Next, open the Paragraph panel by going to Window, and then selecting Paragraph from the menu. In this panel, locate the available text alignment options, which let you control how the text is positioned within its text area. Click Align Left if you want the text to begin from the left side of the text area, which is useful for standard paragraphs and other layouts that need a traditional reading direction. Click Align Center if you want the text centered within its text area, making it useful for titles, headings, or balanced graphic designs. Click Align Right if you want the text positioned toward the right side, which can work well for certain labels, numbers, or creative layouts. After choosing an alignment, check the text position on the canvas and make sure it sits where you expect it to appear. If the text does not fit properly or the alignment looks incorrect, resize the text box as needed so there is enough space for the text and the alignment behaves correctly. Compare the available options and choose the alignment that best fits the overall design, checking the spacing and position against the other elements in your document. Once the text is aligned and the layout looks correct, save your Photoshop document to keep the changes.